I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. You must be logged into the Ubl Digital App and have the Gmail address and password ready. Once done, make sure your phone has a stable connection and notifications enabled so verification codes arrive. Now open Ubl Digital, tap Settings, then choose Linked Accounts or Email to begin the Add Gmail flow. This initiates the OAuth and verification steps that let the app read necessary tokens. You'll see a prompt to select an email provider. Pick Gmail. Next, sign in to Google when the OAuth screen appears. Read the permission list. The app typically requests access to basic profile and email address. These scopes let Ubl verify and link your account. If you use two-step verification, enter the code Google sends or use your authenticator. Once you grant permissions, the app exchanges tokens securely so you avoid repeatedly entering passwords. Finish by confirming the Gmail entry appears in Accounts or linked emails inside Ubl Digital. Tap it to verify settings and request a test message or notification to ensure delivery. Make sure sync and notification permissions are granted in your phone settings so messages arrive. If linking fails, revoke Ubl access from your Google account, restart the app, and try again. Commonly, the issue is a missing OAuth permission or unstable network, so correct those and reauthorize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.